Morning, guys. So it's our Sunday, Monday. It's actually our third or fourth day here in Taipei. So, anyways, today is Tuesday and it's March 19, and it's already like 11:22 in the morning. And our itinerary for today is just a chill itinerary. We haven't like do a lot of things today kasi it's raining and we don't want to be caught up in the rain. And also like it's so cold outside, sobrang lamig, especially kahapon sa hapon after ng Yo-Yo Geo Park namin. We're supposed to go to Taipei 101, but sobrang lamig and I was so scared for my baby because he's not like, he likes cold places, like lagi siyang nasa indoor aircon like that, but yung to the extent kahapon na sobrang lamig, I felt like he was not used to it, that kind of very cold weather. So we've decided to cancel the Taipei 101 yesterday afternoon. So today, I know I already expected it's gonna be super duper cold because it was raining early this morning. So ayun, so we're gonna go to Taipei 101 and we're gonna have our lunch there and also visit the Simple Cafe coffee shop. It's in the 88th floor of the Taipei 101 Observatory building, like that. We will not go to the observatory um, place in Taipei 101, so we've decided to opt for the coffee shop, the Simple Cafe. I found it in TikTok. Like, I don't have a TikTok, but I just googled it and there was a TikTok recommendation. Ayun guys, so for today's outfit, I'm doing this like a schoolgirl college outfit. So I know malamig sa labas, sobrang lamig, but so I'm just gonna wear my puffer jacket along with it kasi it's gonna be so cold, but it's ganda for the outfit. I actually bought two heavy coats. It's supposed to be I'm gonna wear those coats when we plan to Japan, but Japan is canceled. So I did not bring it anymore because I thought it's not that very cold anymore in Taipei. It's not also very hot. It's in between. But when we arrived here, and at first is the weather is okay, it's sunny, and then yesterday it's so cold, and today I know it's gonna be so cold. So I wish I brought the two heavy coats. Anyway, so ayun guys, so I'm just gonna I wear this vest and then this long sleeve white and this and this skirt that I bought from Shopee, and also my high knee socks from Shopee. So we're just gonna prepare and get back to you later. Bye! Good morning. So it's already like 12. We are now going to the Taipei 101. Magti-train kami. So we're going for 2 rides na train. Kasi mas efficient siya, tsaka mas madali sa amin kaysa mag-bus. Sobrang hassle ng bus with the baby and the stroller. Daddy and Baba. So, yeah. We'll get back to you later. Huh? Wala, ganino. Hey guys, so we are here at Taipei City Hall. So, malapit lang pala siya sa Taipei 101. Ayun na yung Taipei 101. So, it's just 11 minutes walk. So, si Google nirecommend niya magsakay kami ng train, tapos bus na naman. So, parang umikot lang kami. Buti na lang, we've decided to walk in this very gloomy and very cold day. Taipei 101. Yan. So, magla-lunch kami, late lunch, dyan sa food court. Then, mamaya, pupunta kami sa 88th floor magti-take out ng coffee para makita yung buong view ng Taipei. So, yeah. Get back to you later.
Take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. Feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but Sadie, Sadie. I love the way you take control. You lift me up when I get low. I gave you the right of way. Now I'm seeing sideways. But even when Saturday ends, I know I'll see you again. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but Sadie, Sadie.
na pumunta na lang dito sa Dan Park instead sa Lohas Park because it's very far and Daddy is sleepy. At saka parang gusto naming maglakad-lakad si Ari kasi lagi na lang siyang nasa stroller. So ayun. Ayan. Baba!
Arel! Arel!
Ari, lasa mo kapadulong. Ari, ladi mo daga na dito so. Ala mo na rin. Hindi makakabalo.
Tell the northern lights with you, I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me and keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, leave me with nothing to say but Sadie, Sadie, you're all that I know.
No, ito ano, convenience store. We are here at Roy Fang Station. Papunta kami ng Pingsi. But yung train papuntang Pingsi is 11:58 pa. And it's still 11. So, we decided to have quick lunch first. So, this is the Roy Fang. Yes, Roy Fang Station. Para siyang inside ng Hollywood movie. Ganun. So, hanap muna kami ng makakainan, guys. Then, I'll get back to you later. Hanap? Pumunta ka ila din. May English. No, may convenience store. Oh. Oh. Bantay ha. Ba? Sure na.
Ano pa kayo na nangyayari mo?
Nagilami siya di galawin. Na?
Hello. Where you want to go? Where? DC 1158.
Ah,
Where
yes.
want to be? To be. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Sticky icky like some bubblegum. Got in trouble, who we running from? Passing joints under the summer sun. Fighting demons on a level 1. Super soaker, that's a water gun. Hurt my feelings, had to get it done. I don't care what you say. Who are you anyway? I don't care what you think. I don't care what you do. Wait, who the hell are you? I'm trying to take it day by day. Sick of passing through the pages on the internet. If I face you learning, am I really living it? Am I bothered? Maybe, maybe just a little bit. Am I bothered? Maybe, maybe just a little bit.
In Shifen. So we're going first to the waterfalls. Then later na kami magpapalipad ng lantern para isahang isahang way. It's so cold. So we are going first to the Shifen waterfall before kami magpalipad ng lantern kasi it is much easier kasi ngayon ang daming pang tao doon na nagpapalipad ng lantern, so probably pagbalik namin wala na masyadong tao. So we are now walking to the waterfalls. It's like 6 minutes walk and it's sobrang lamig na di pala plane. So I'll get back to you later guys pag dumating na kami dun sa may waterfalls.
We hang in the day, we're scheming, making plans, but a way to keep dreaming. No more defense, we won't listen. I don't care what you say. Who are you anyway? I don't care what you think. I don't care what you do. Wait, who the hell are you? I'm trying to take it day by day. Sick of passing through the pages on the internet. If I face you learning, am I really living it? Am I bothered? Maybe, maybe just a little bit. Am I bothered? Maybe, maybe just a little bit. Sick of passing through the pages on the internet. If I face you learning, am I really living it? Am I bothered? Maybe, maybe just a little bit.
So guys, it's so funny because parang napuntahan na namin, parang dumaan kami dito sa train. Tapos parang lumibot lang kami. Here is the Shifen waterfall. Hi guys, so we're done taking a lot of pictures or siguro konting pictures lang dun sa waterfall. Sobrang daming tao. So nandito kami sa may parang kainan nila. I don't know, paano ba siya tawagin? So daddy ordered a beer. Ayan. Beer. And we also order this para siyang bacon na may gulay sa loob. So we're gonna try this. Are you wanna try? Harap ng harap. Try ito.
Hindi ka siya.
Harap. I'm gonna try this beer. Alam sa San Miguel sa Pinas. Only one?
Am I bothered? Maybe, maybe just a little bit.
Unsa? Canada. Canada.
Go, go, go! One. Go, Emma.
Gusto ka din? No, no.
No, no, no.
Ah, okay.
Hindi na video.
Eh?
Yeah. Ano?
No problem.
Ang teacher.
Mama, wow. Init man na bo.